Well, I wanted to get out and stretch my legs today. Get out and, the best place to stretch your legs, go for a walk, is the Bosque. I know I've been here many times. It looks like everybody and their neighbor had the same idea. But I wanted to, this may be the last time to get out here while there's still some leaves on the trees and just get a little sun and some exercise. Well, hello and welcome. I just took my jacket off. I can't believe it. It is so nice and warm out here. We're just gonna take a leisurely walk and just look around, maybe find some new trails. It is 48 degrees. Yeah, civilization comes up upon you, doesn't it? People over here are doing some fun pics. A lot of photography. This young guy over here is doing some fishing. Very cool. Another reason I wanted to get out of the house was neighbors are doing some construction. That's not too bad, and I don't mean neighbors like way over there. I mean right outside my window. But I'm thankful because their dogs have devoured the wooden fence, so I think they're putting a wall in there. So one battle at a time. One battle at a time in this war. Ooh, it's quite a ways. I'm trying to get to the river, walking along this busy bridge here. And there's a lot of shade. Whew, we made it. It's kind of noisy and kind of tranquil at the same time. It's one of my favorite spots near Montano. I haven't been here for quite some time. Oh, find some sun here. Oh, that's nice. The mighty Rio Grande. Can't get any closer than this. Oh, pretty cool. I'd like to get on some kind of a raft or something and just float on down with the current. Here's what it looks like under the bridge there. Well, that's a very small area. I can't really go too far there, so let's go over on this side and go into the bosque. Pick it up, people. Pick it up. Here's a little bridge we can go over to the north side of the highway there. Yeah, it's getting dead. It's getting dead. There's not a whole lot of color left, so I'm glad I came before it got too dead. Thank goodness I was able to capture some of their color this fall. Very fortunate to live in an area where there's some color and some changing seasons. Yeah, you do dream about being in a place that's nice and, 80 degrees all year round, but I think you would totally miss the seasons if you're not used to it. I like these fern-looking things. They look all soft and colorful. Looks out of focus. It's kind of how fine they are. Well, I'm going to take this little offshoot that someone has started here. See if I can get up by the river. I've never seen this area before. Just have to explore and check it out. Well, I think I got to a dead end. Maybe I can push through these trees here. As long as there's no poison oak or ivy or anything like that. Or some mean animals. Okay, we're gonna make it out to the river. There's some kind of structure right here. It's probably a sign that said, "Don't go this way. There's mean animals and you may fall in." And it kind of looks like I will here. Gotta be real careful. Real careful. Oh, look at the geese. You can't hide from me. Oh, pretty quiet place. Here's how far we are from the Montano there. And I can't step out too much. I'm starting to fall in there. Speaking of geese, I plan on going down to a place way south, a couple hours south of Albuquerque called Bosque Apache. I think I was there once, maybe decades and decades ago again. And there's tons of birds down there that fly down there about mid to end of November. So I'm trying to make plans to get down there. Not sure exactly when, but that's my plans. There's tons of different types of birds. Sandhill cranes, geese. I'm not sure what else. And I think that's going to be a pretty fun trip. It's very desolate through here. Very dead, a lot of weeds. I still love it though. I love desert landscaping, so it fits me just fine. I'm surprised more people haven't made a good trail up to the river. I hear you honking, but I don't see you. Ooh, that little pit bull wanted to come at me. That guy had to really yank on him to pull him back. That's a little scary. Oh, just stepped in a hole. I'm crawling under. I'm crawling under. The things I do for a good shot. Oh, God. Oh, probably not that great a shot. Oh, my gosh. Stuff all over the place. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a pretty good shot. Wow, check it out. You can see a lot of the river. And more geese, a lot of geese. Right there and way down here. Let's go through here. I heard some people with a dog, so a lot of people just like to let their dogs run loose. Luckily, that last one had a leash on. He could pull them back. No. Looks like they've got him on a leash. They'd probably want to swim and get the geese. Oh, look how dark it is in here. This is interesting. Okay, I've done it again. Got myself lost. I have no idea where the main trail was. So, makes me walk a little more than usual. I may have to trek across some of this terrain here. It might be over there. Let me give that a try, because we have gone pretty far north. You can barely hear the traffic. Okay, let's trek across here and see if we can't fall into a skunk hole or something. Not sure I'm wearing the proper shoes. You probably should be wearing some hiking boots or something. But, well, this is a little sandy arroyo. Kind of a wash. It's hard to walk in the sand, but I do see a lot of footprints, so we'll just start heading south. The rustling leaves sound like a babbling brook. Well, we're back on a more solid trail, thank goodness. That sand is hard to walk on. Looks like someone's trying to use some lumber there for something. That's nice. So thankful I can still get around. Little pain, mind you, but I can still walk. My knees get pretty bad, and some other afflictions, but I'm just thankful I can get up and go, and if I can, I will get up and go. All of my spare time. I just love sharing it with the people, sharing my adventures, my excursions. Just hoping people enjoy them. Now we're heading back towards the bridge here. It's getting noisier and noisier. Oh, I'm a little worn out, to be honest with you. Getting my steps in today for sure. My 10,000 steps in. It's easy to do when you just start walking and walking. Well, that's gonna do it for today. Thank you so much for coming along. Was it the most exciting thing, the most exciting video in the world? No, but it was nice. Oh, it's nice to get out and enjoy some fairly warm weather before it gets too cold. When the wind hits, whoo, it's tough to get out. But thank you for coming along, and thank you for being my friend through all these excursions and discoveries and explorations. So now it's time to head on out. May all your wishes come true through these next few weeks, through the holidays. Take care of yourself and those around you. Bye for now.